Hello friends, soup season is just around the corner, or maybe it's already here depending how the weather is where you are. And today I want to take you through my version of a beef and barley soup. Comfort, lots of delicious flavors, and relatively easy to make. Just a couple little steps that you don't want to miss out on. So welcome to the Silly Kitchen. I am excited to share with you some comfort foods all throughout the fall and into the winter. So let's get started with my version of beef and barley soup. Your first step is getting your beef ready, and typically I would suggest buying some cubed already stewing type beef. If you can get a great deal on sort of a less expensive cut of a beef roast of sorts, you can also cut that up into small little chunks. You don't want to use your tenderloins and your really, expensive meats here. Just get what's on sale or some stewing beef, whatever works. And I like nice little small pieces for this so that I'm not getting big chunks. And that's it. That's the first part of beef. Let's head over to the stove top where we have our soup pot or stock pot, and we're going to start layering all of our ingredients and flavors.
My stock pot is getting nice and hot, and I'm adding a dollop of butter until it sizzles. Then my beef goes in that hot pan because we're gonna sear it off on high heat. Once all of my beef is nice and brown but not fully cooked, I am gonna scoop that out without the juices and just set it aside in a bowl. My celery, carrots, and onions go in next with all of those juices, and we're also gonna add in a tablespoon of flour. Get those nice and translucent. Add in some dry parsley flakes and 4 cups of beef stock, 1 cup of water. Season with salt and pepper and add back in our beef. We're gonna bring that up to a simmer. I'm gonna add in 1 can of tomato paste and 2 cups of pearl barley. Now I need to cover this and let it cook out until my barley is nice and soft. My little secret ingredient, a few dashes of soy sauce too.
Easy, hearty, and delicious, and perfect for cool fall evenings and cold winter days. Remember, double the recipe and freeze a bunch of batches so that you don't have to work so hard on every night of the week. You could just pull out a little bit of some of the soup you've already worked so hard on and have it anytime you want. Thank you so much for joining me on the Silly Kitchen. I love having you here. I appreciate your comments, your likes, and just your support in general. Till next time.